Hello everyone, so this is Ma'am Jam. So today I'm going to discuss about the DepEd Order number 060 series of 2021, which is entitled Guidelines on Galaw Pilipinas, the DepEd National Calisthenics Exercise Program. So before we move on, so let me share first to you the basis or one of the bases of this exercise program. So according to Article 14, Section 19 of the Philippine Constitution, the 1987 Philippine Constitution, states shall promote physical education and encourage sports program, league competitions to foster self-discipline, teamwork, and excellence for the development of a healthy and alert citizenry. So based from the article that I have mentioned from the 1987 Philippine Constitution, the department established the promotion and implementation of Galaw Pilipinas as the national calisthenics to achieve an active lifestyle among all types of learners in all key stages. So that means that all learners from both public and private school will participate together with the entire community of the school in this national calisthenics entitled Galaw Pilipinas. Okay? So let's talk about this national calisthenics. Ano nga po ba itong sinasabi ko na ito? So it is a 4-minute calisthenics routine which shall contribute to the 60 minutes of moderate to vigorous physical activity or yung tinatawag natin na MVPA prescribed daily for children 5 to 17 years of age. So that's from WHO Physical Activity Guidelines 2020. So 4 na minuto lang siya na mga binubuo ng mga dance steps or dance movements. So, let's proceed with the scope of this policy. So, this policy contains the guidelines on Galaw Pilipinas as DepEd's national calisthenics, which shall be part of the daily exercise routine in class and be performed every flag ceremony, flag retreat, or starts of the first class. So that means that this Galaw Pilipinas or dance routine, magiging part na siya ng daily activity nating lahat. So ito man ay, ang modality ay modular or face-to-face, still, kailangan pa rin nating i-execute itong Galaw Pilipinas. So kailan daw po siya i-perform? So every flag ceremony, pwedeng every flag after ng flag retreat, or bago mag-start yung ating first subject. Okay? This calisthenics shall replace the different dances or exercises performed by learners during school-initiated activities. So it is consist of simple steps inspired by folk dances or tribal dances, movements, and some fundamental earnest dances to be performed by learners in public and private elementary schools, junior high schools, and senior high schools, along with the entire DepEd community. So state and local colleges and universities, as well as other higher educational institutions offering basic education, are encouraged to adopt these guidelines. So, just like what I have mentioned earlier, siya ay binubuo ng iba't ibang dance steps from folk dances. Okay? So, ano na po yung mga folk dances na pinagkunan ng mga steps? So, we have the Rigodon Royal, we have Tinikling, Maglalatik, and some festivals like Sinulog, Kalilang, and another is the Arnis dances. Okay? As the Philippine National Martial Art and Sport. So, hindi lang kayo yung magpe-perform. So, makita nyo dyan, along with the entire DepEd community. So, that means, hindi lang kayo yung mag-aaral or mag-execute ng dance, kasama kami at lahat ng employees sa school, lahat ng teachers, should participate in this exercise program. And also, this national calisthenics should be part of our school-initiated activities. Lahat ng activities sa school, pwedeng gamitin or kailangang isama yung ating Galaw Pilipinas or our national dance calisthenics. So in the policy statement of the DepEd Order, 1. The DepEd recognizes the vital role of Galaw Pilipinas in promoting an active lifestyle, inculcating positive values, and countering sedentary living among learners. Galaw Pilipinas shall then be anchored on the curriculum standards on physical education, and the teachers in other learning areas are enjoined to integrate it in relevant learning competencies. Further, Galaw Pilipinas emphasizes the components of physical fitness such as strength, flexibility, cardiovascular endurance, coordination, and balance. So, yung pinakang role ng Galaw Pilipinas, ang pinakang aim nito is for us to have an active lifestyle, especially this time of pandemic na tayong lahat ay hindi halos nakakapag-exercise. So, lagi lang tayong nakaupo, lagi lang tayong nagagawa ng module, kaya gumagawa ng module, hindi na masyado nakakapag-exercise. So, itong Galaw Pilipinas ay hindi lamang sa physical education or sa PE. So, it can be integrated also to other subjects. Okay? So, pwede siyang i-integrate or gawin or i-perform sa iba't iba ninyong subjects. Lalo na kapag meron ng face-to-face tayo dito sa ating school. Ano po? So, another, this Galaw Pilipinas emphasizes these components, yung components ng physical fitness. So, yung nabanggit kanina, yung strength. Okay? So, it is the ability of the muscles to generate force against physical objects. So, pinapalakas tayo kung everyday nating gagawin yung exercise program. Okay? So, yung muscles natin, mas magiging siyang strong and mas magiging siyang malakas. So, when we say naman na flexibility, it is the ability of the joints and muscles to move through its full range of motion. Okay? So, nababanat yung ating mga ugat-ugat. And then, when it comes naman to cardiovascular endurance, so, it is the ability of our heart, of our lungs, and blood vessels to deliver oxygen to working muscles and tissues, as well as the ability of those muscles and tissues to utilize oxygen. So, it has something to do with our heart and with our lungs para mag-circulate ng normal yung dugo dun sa ating mga ugat. So, pag everyday nating i-execute itong exercise program na ito, it will help our heart and lungs to become more healthy. And, of course, the coordination. So, when we say coordination, it's the ability to use the senses with the body parts to perform motor tasks smoothly and accurately. So, hindi lang tayo basta sasayaw. There are many benefits that can be gained from this exercise program. So, mapapractice yung ating coordination na sumunod dun sa mga basic steps, dun sa mga movements. Okay? Gagalaw lahat ng parts ng ating katawan. And of course, the balance. It helps us to maintain the equilibrium while stationary or moving. So, while we are moving, while we are performing or executing this exercise program, our balance could also be improved. So, what are the aims of this exercise program? So, first, to promote active lifestyle among Filipinos that will benefit both their physical and socio-emotional well-being. So, hindi lang physical aspect ang focus ng ating program. So, kasama yung socio-emotional. So, ano po ba yung socio-emotional well-being? So, especially in this time of pandemic, sometimes naboboard tayo, sometimes nai-stress tayo. Kumbaga, hindi maganda, iba-iba yung emotions natin. Parang nade-depress, hindi makalabas lagi. So, this kind of exercise program could help us para ma-release natin yung mga tensions, yung stress, nakakawala siya ng stress, nare-relax yung ating utak. Kasi parang lumalabas tayo dun sa ating sedentary activity na lagi na lang tayong nakaupo, lagi na lang tayong nanonood ng TV, nagsa-cellphone. Sometimes we also have to move around, okay? And second, as mentioned earlier, it also improves strength, flexibility, cardiovascular endurance, coordination, and balance. Third, enhance cultural awareness by integrating Philippine cultures in the calisthenics exercise. So that's the reason why the movements of this Galaw Pilipinas came from different folk dances, festivals, and our martial arts sports. So we all know that our folk dances, our festival has something to do. It talks about our culture, our tradition, the history of our country. So kaya siya ay yun yung ginamit doon sa ating national calisthenics. And fourth, to inculcate nationalism, unity, and discipline. So this is related in the third aim of the national calisthenics. So let's talk about the procedure. The first is the logo. So this is the logo of Galaw Pilipinas. Okay, so there's a meaning behind each item in this logo. So first, let's talk about the torch and the flame. So it symbolizes the quality education with the learners at the center, developing both their physical and socio-emotional well-being. So that's stated in our first aim. Next, the four rays. Can you see that? The yellow rays. So, that four ways represent the department's core values. So, ano ba yung ating core values? Yung nire-recite natin, maka-Diyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa. And that baybayin, below that race, so it symbolizes the inculcation of nationalism among Filipinos. So, kaya nga kanina, as mentioned, dun sa third aim natin, na yung ating folk dances i-relate doon sa dance steps. Kumbaga, kinuha yung dance steps doon para ma-develop natin yung pagiging nating makabayan. So, Galaw Pilipinas shall be performed by all elementary and secondary learners under any of the learning delivery modality. So, kahit tayo ay nasa modular, nasa distance learning, nasa face-to-face learning, still, we have to perform this Galaw Pilipinas. So, during face-to-face learning, it shall be performed by the learners and the entire school community. So, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, hindi lang students ang magpa-perform, pati teachers, pati employees. Every flag ceremony, flag retreat, or before the start of the class. Third, the learners are advised to wear comfortable clothes when performing Galaw Pilipinas. Of course, alam niyo na yan, you have to wear your, kung anong available, kung saan kayo komportable, na decente. Like jogging pants, t-shirt, rubber shoes. Okay? So, to ensure inclusivity, the intensity of the execution of Galaw Pilipinas shall vary according to the type of learners and their key stages. So, hindi naman siya pinupush or hindi naman nire-require na ihataw nyo, so depende. Okay? Hindi naman siya, yung intensity, ibabagay din sa kung ano yung kaya nyo. For example, meron kayong asthma. So, hindi nyo siya ihahataw para hindi kayo hapuin. So, kung ano lang yung kaya nyo na gawin, yun lang yung inyong i-execute. Okay? Yan. So, that's all. That's the guidelines. Some of the guidelines of that DepEd Order No. 060, Series of 2021. The Galaw Pilipinas, the DepEd National Calisthenics Exercise Program. So, are you ready to dance? Are you ready to learn different steps or movements of our Galaw Pilipinas? So, I'm going to put the link where you can download, where you can watch the video tutorial of our national calisthenics. So, ilalagay ko dito yung link. Click nyo lang yung link. Tapos, makikita nyo na doon yung music, yung tutorial, And you're going to perform that at home. Okay? Pwede nyo isama yung inyong mga family members, yung inyong mga kapatid, pwede nyo isama. So, makikipag-coordinate sa inyo yung inyong mga PE teacher kung papaano nyo isasubmit yung inyong performance. Alright? So, that's all. Thank you everyone for listening. So, I hope you enjoyed this exercise program provided by the Department of Education. Okay po. Good luck and have a nice day everyone.